How to fix Windows 10 and 11 keeps freezing and lagging. First things first is find your file explorer, this one right here, and then head over to this PC. Go to your local disk C drive, right click on it, and then go to properties. Then head over to tools and then check for system errors. Now you can go ahead and scan for your drive and you'll just have to wait for it until it finishes. Now once this specific scanned, we're able to locate or find errors and freezes, specific viruses that you have on your PC, it will automatically fix by itself. So you'll just have to finish this specific process for him to scan and fix it itself. So next process is gonna be go to your Windows icon and then type in CMD. And from here, all you have to do is type in SFC space forward slash scan now. Okay, so the error message saying here that you must be an administrator running a console session in order to use the SFC utility. So let's go ahead and do that. Go back to your Windows icon, type CMD, and from here, right click on it and then run as an administrator. Just click on yes, and then do the same process again. Just SFC space forward slash scan now. Now, upon pressing enter, it will automatically scan by itself like the first method that we use, and it will automatically fix by itself, and then you'll just have to restart your PC after that process. Now, next thing we have to do is go back to your Windows icon, type in edit, power plan, click on it, and from here, go to power options, click on create a power plan, and click high performance. Then just go ahead and click on next to successfully change it to high performance. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how to fix Windows 10 and 11 keeps freezing and lagging.